Day 100 of living in my van and traveling around the coast of Jamaica for street food. But that's going to stop, but only for a short while because I'm having brake failure with my van. So I'll have to pull back into Kingston to get that sorted out and of course use the time to do some laundry, edit, etc. Now, journal to myself. It seems like the Portland-Port Antonio leg of this series is coming to an end. And it's been fun searching and finding a few gems. Now, I did pass a small setup on the street side a few weeks back, but the owner told me he wasn't out there every day. So our times never lined up, but fortunately, now they do. And I can bet $100 that corn pork will be on the menu. It seems like something that is popular in this side of the island.
Alright, so we are finally at a place called Dapa place, you see me? If you're a Jamaican, you'll know exactly what it means to be Dappa. A Dappa person is well dressed, well put together, one of the coolest cats around that you can find. And I was correct. I did say to you guys that I'm gonna come here and there's gonna be corn pork and ackee. I find that so far in Portland, corn pork is something that's very prevalent and I'm happy for that. In Kingston, not so much.
So we're there with the Dappa man himself, cleaning off the grill. Alright, so tell me about your business. You said that you're open on what days again?
Only open on Thursday, Friday and Saturday. The rest of the days I prep.
Oh, okay.
Where I can get all these goodies together.
So preparation is super important.
Yes. So I start from Sunday, where I do my chicken, season up my chicken on Sunday.
From Sundays?
Yes. So Thursday, finger licking. Yes sir. Finger licking.
Alright, so jerk chicken is not on yet. Right now you have like the breakfast stuff, yeah?
Yes, so today what I'm gonna have on the menu, I always do goat head, manish water, but today we have a little chartreuse, so we're gonna do some chicken foot soup today, and we have some curry goat.
Nice.
Cow foot, all those for lunch. But for breakfast we have corn pork and ackee and saltfish, and straight corn pork. We also have some stew peas later too. So, and we got some nice rice, basmati rice.
Yeah.
So come on down.
So my question, what influenced this this setup? Because you're here for only a couple of days in the week. What started this all?
You know, I enjoy cooking.
Nice.
And this is my fun where I can come out, get mad at some people, cuss them out, and give them good food. But I do this in the state. So I cook in the state and I cook in Jamaica also.
Got you.
Yeah.
So is there something you get mad at some people? Is that because like them come and them rush you?
Sometimes they come and rush, they can't wait, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Kentucky, you gotta wait. But you're coming for better food, you don't want to wait.
Yo, you know it's funny? I had this conversation at another restaurant and they said the same thing.
Yeah.
For that particular restaurant, KFC, people will wait.
Yes.
But when they come for organic, natural food, they are not going to wait.
Everybody just come on. Give me this, give me that. And if you don't have your head on your body, you give away everything.
So I feel you. So you get that type of, you have to be strong.
Yes.
So you deal with them strong because them super strong. So
Yes.
but like that.
This place is a place where we hang out. I like to come and hang out. The guys, they come and sit down, we talk, all type of crap, and give good food. Hey, that's one of my friends there, Shabaran kids. Man, so I got people from all over the place. The best thing, come and look at this, right here. People from even Kingston come for the potato pudding.
Oh, so wow. I have to try your potato pudding as well.
Potato pudding, let me tell you. People even buy it, bring it to the state. It's better than Kentucky. So, you got enough more to see.
Vibes.
And we got some more, we got some natural juice coming up.
Nice.
In a few minutes.
Alright.
Yeah. So the coal we use. Sometimes a 3-4 bag of coal we have to use. And the coal is light. You know, a lot of people don't know nothing about agate.
What did I say? Again? Wow, what inspired that? Like,
Yeah, you see?
so what can I soup this? Chicken soup. Nice.
So we always do goating. For the goat, curry goat. Dumpling, yam, banana. Ackee and corn.
Yeah.
Ackee and salt. No, that's a straight corn pork.
Straight corn pork.
Yeah. Ackee and corn pork.
Saltfish.
Saltfish for me, yeah. 2 piece.
So, at what time in the morning you wake up?
We wake up at like 5:30.
By 5:30?
Yeah, but as we say, we take a week, prep me stuff them, put it together. That means all I do is pick out, take out, season up, ready. So like how I know the pig tail how to cook, I pressure them to cook the pig tail and everything.
So, it sounds like you have previous culinary experience.
Yes. I used to work on a cruise ship.
Right, you didn't know say food are go nice. Because my uncle used to work on Royal Caribbean and
Yeah, man, that's how we
boy
work.
can cook.
Yeah, but a dining room we work though.
Dining room.
Yeah, we have a dining room waiter.
Got
And I
you.
do that for about 25 years.
25 years.
Yeah, so I retire and say, yo. But I used to do it in Florida.
Okay.
I spent about 15 years in Florida doing it.
Yeah.
Then I left, come to St. Mary. And then I left, come straight home. Because everybody want me here. You know what I mean?
So basically the waiter becomes the chef
It's the way,
extraordinaire.
yes.
We love that
And that,
story there.
let me tell you, it's the taste.
Yeah.
It's the taste. You have to have good taste of stuff. You want what you want. You know what I mean?
I always ask this question, what is the hot seller? The thing that is going to be done.
Transport can act.
That's what I will have.
Yeah. Yeah. Good breadfruit, right? So I said my name now, Curry Kong. You think it's
Right.
that? One more booby. You know, come have lunch with me today. Sometimes we're out here, man. All night we're out here chat shit. Yeah. And sometimes when I see the type of people, let me say, what are the people that they are sort of, yeah, you know, they are.
Like the old diplomats them.
Yeah. And Dappa is a man where learn to deal with the white, the black, the pink, the purple. All them deal with is love.
Straight.
Yeah. Straight love. Yeah, I love the breadfruit because the breadfruit are turn.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Get that good meat. Just I tell them to you bring the juice them in a bench.
Okay.
Put it on your choke.
I like.
No man. No.
What is that?
Cucumber, good for your penis.
Everything good for your feet.
Welcome to Jamaica.
You have more?
Sweet.
There's more?
Wanna sweet to sweet?
There's more?
Mm-hmm.
Benji, what a flavor there?
Let me try one.
Beetroot and sour.
Yeah, I'm going to take that one. Wow.
I wish I had drink, but
I wrong one me drink.
I don't mind
Tastes good.
Yeah, man.
Refreshing. I wrong one me drink.
Alright, so we have this sorrel beetroot juice. Sorrel, typical Christmas drink, but for some reason you can get it most times throughout the year, and you don't know what beetroot do already. Very healthy stuff. Bit of ginger with that. Nice. Refreshing. Alright, now Jamaica hot. Well, Jamaica is always hot, but yeah, it's pretty hot. So thankful for the rain that we got this morning. Alright, so this is probably corn pork number 3 or 4 in the series. Here we go. And I don't mind trying the same dish more than once because it is going to happen, it's inevitable. But at the same time, it depends on where you might be on the island at a particular point, so you can try it if you are close to that spot. The style is definitely different.
How we are coming from so early?
Alright, this is what it is. So everybody's corn pork this far has been completely different. So you guys can pick, choose whichever one you like. Now the breadfruit is exactly how I like it. It's turned, but it's not too turned. You're getting that nice little bit of sweetness. It is it's firm, but it's at the same time a bit soft. So it's not mushy, not too tough. Just an all-around nice breadfruit. If you don't know what a breadfruit is, the name suggests exactly what it is. It's a fruit that's kind of like a bread, and that goes so well with, you know, anything else that is that you can use it to like sop up the flavors. We are on the street side, so I'm gonna stop a couple of times to let things go by. But what I like about this corn pork is that I've tried some before where it's a little bit, like I mentioned, gamey or a little bit firm. This one seems like some parts are a bit precious, like the fatty parts are a bit softer, but then you have that variation where you do get a bit of crispy parts as well. This one has more gravy to it than any ones that I've seen before, so it all depends on your preference. If you want something to kind of like sop up that flavor, for example the breadfruit, this one goes very well. Well seasoned, well flavored, and you can definitely see that some prep work has been put into this. So all in all, I like this corn pork, and if you're passing by this stop between a Thursday and I think it's a Friday, Saturday, you guys should definitely check it out. And what I appreciate with these places is that they're not trying to do everything. So I'm sure he could make his own juice, but he's left that up to someone who is more specialized in that. And I think for any business, it's good to have specialists that come in and they create this whole fusion of, you know, perfection. This juice is really good, really refreshing, because Jamaica.
Everybody have to get in touch.
Right? They give everybody a chance to put in them,
Yes,
because,
yes.
you know?
That's why I don't stay too late, because there are people out there who want to make something.
True. Got you.
Yeah, we're not doing it right now. So go cook it all.
That's on that circle, but come on.
No, sir. I don't come with no big foot, man. What wrong with
That man come for him goated.
goated?
Oh my.
I know goated are there, they're mad. When the fireman come, me have to have him goated. I'm going to tell him to know that they're going to get mad. What's this shit, man? Ready? Yeah, I jerk chicken, well marinated.
Wow. So like how long you put them to marinate for? Like
From Sunday
From Sunday to...
to the weekend. Everything good for the weekend.
So about a week?
Yeah.
Why you not playing, no, man?
That's why it tastes so good. That's why it tastes so good. Season to the board.
So, Mr. Dappa, you said that you've been doing this for how long?
About 4 to 5 years now.
4 to 5 years, yeah?
Yes.
The question I always want to ask, like when you were doing it, starting out, did you feel nervous? Like, did you feel like, why? I wonder if people go support it as much as you feel your dreams were as big? Or
No, I never think like that because anything I go into it with God.
Mm,
And the Almighty always tell me, say, go at it. So when I go at it, I have a lot of friends. And true, I used to do it in the state.
yeah.
I used to do it in St. Mary. And then I used to have a little bar and I used to just cook for the guys and we just hang out together.
Okay.
So, you know, cooking out here, it's like 1-2.
Got you.
I can't be scared for something what I like. I like to do this. This is part of me.
Got you. So you mentioned that you serve people in high esteem basically out here. Like street food, like have you ever had issues with like police coming and saying like, you know, your business being here, so or no?
No. All
Every-
of them support me.
Everyone in the community,
Everybody
like
in their community support me. The superintendent, the doctor, the nurse. Everybody support me. The locals,
love that.
walk-bys,
Love that.
you know. Stop. People coming from Kingston, stop. The tourists, when they come in, they just want to sit and take in this nice cool breeze. You feel the breeze?
I feel the breeze.
Yes, yes.
I do.
Turn on the AC. So, it's lovely right here sitting down underneath the tent. I used to have a couple more tents, but I like it like this. Hey, hola, mi amor. Yes, sir.
I love the setup because some places I've been to, it's easy to drive past, but here I see it immediately. I smell the food, I see the setup, I know that food is here. And like if you come later in the day, it's like more people, right, sitting down
Yeah,
and
more
stuff.
people gonna sit down, more people gonna hang on, people just come to say, today is their day. They just hanging.
Got you.
You know, when it's curfew time, I don't have hand to serve people.
Oh, that was during COVID.
COVID time, yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, I just give God thanks for this, and I enjoy doing it. I enjoy feeding the people. I like when the people enjoy my food,
Yeah.
manasa. So, you know, I'm grateful for them.
I can see that food has made you an even more popular guy because like people keep telling you like,
But you know, I used to play football first.
oh, nice.
Yeah, I used to play football for my parish.
Okay.
So, Portland was where me born and grew, and through me on the ship, I used to come back and forth. You know what I mean? So, most of the people that know me.
Nice.
And cooking here, wow. You have more people know me. Sometimes some people say, I come here 5 years ago, and I say, yeah, I remember you. Hey. I remember them, but hey, I have to make everybody happy.
Yeah, true.
You know, some people say, I see on YouTube. You know, so
Nice.
yeah, man. You know, this is a lovely, relaxing setting where nobody bother you.
Straight.
You know, nobody bother you. Why my meat is so fresh? My chicken tastes so good. I get all my meat and stuff like that from a reputable supermarket, Kamal supermarket. They got clean, nice meat.
Nice.
So that's where I shop. So I enjoy shopping there too, because I can get the type of stuff what I need. You know?
Food is as good as the ingredients.
Yes. Yes, so that's where I shop and that's where I get the good ingredients to put in my food. You know? But if you're here when you can see the jerk chicken when it come out, it's gonna come out lovely.
Alright, I'll look
You know
forward
what
to
I mean?
it.
I'm gonna make sure you get a little piece
Nice.
to taste. Nice. I'm already now. Few minutes. This is before 12 o'clock.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. Everybody come for their lunch. I want chicken, jerk chicken, stuff like that. Yeah. Nice rice, eh? Yeah? Yeah. You can't open yet, it's a cool out. The pressure. Yeah, that kind of pressure, you see? Yeah. They will make a taste piece of the egg there. And the taste is egg there. Yeah. Let me know try this. You can taste it and make the people know. Oh good.
It's gonna be the first time, so you're giving my debut.
Yeah.
With Haggard.
The first time I eat again?
I believe so.
Yeah?
I've had the ears, but
Yeah.
respect, thank you.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
This look fall off the bone good. Texture is on point just by feel. Oh, no, I'm getting the spice. Oh my god. The fatty parts. That melts in your mouth like butter. Guys, the meat is falling apart. I've got a weird feeling, but I don't know what it is. But it's head meat. So some parts I'm not accustomed to. This part, it kind of looks brainy. And it feels like brain. That part's like a nice liver consistency. That is Portland jerk. I don't think nobody else jerks as good as the people out here in Portland. It's spicy, but a flavorful, kind of spicy, smoky, tender. I can't find words. That is good, and the fat, like I said, it's like it's butter. Wow. Again, that's probably one of the best head I ever got. So I just had to ask Dappa then about like the processed, so it's a young pig. I think they call it like a suckling pig, so that's why the meat is gonna be extra tender. And now I am feeling the spice a bit more, not unbearable, but you know you just had some jerk pig just now. 10 out of 10. That one, phenomenal.
You want it on plate, man? Pass it. I want that. Yeah, man, can you go? Chicken ready.
You know, a big dog say, one, 6, 4, 5 dumpling and one yam, you know? I yam, one flat.
Plan for the amount of business. You want a piece of white jam?
No, me no want yam.
No, film this.
Oh.
So you can get a party, you give me that eating a party, I also drink it. Yeah, nice, yes. They want it juicy. Yeah, put the pepper on the side. Yeah, man, it's gonna taste good.
First time ever you put hackhead.
Eh? It's just like the pork, regular pork. The only thing this now have no bone.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna pour dumpling again.
Yeah, we gotta get another piece of the good old hoghead. Yes, sir.
Eh?
Alright guys, so I have to resort to eating on the bonnet of my van because there's quite a few people here. Like there's probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars that are parked up, and it's like a boys link up. Like all of them and them just they out there right now and them a vibe and drink beer and eat food basically. So nice. I just got some curry, some white rice. That's a nice goat, and of course some hog head. This hog head I had this morning, and it's just good. A customer came not too long ago and he was very skeptical about getting hog head, you know, and I mentioned to him like, yo, it's good. He tried it. I never recorded him eating it, of course, but he was just like, yo, amazing, really good. So if you by chance come here and hog head is available, give it a try. And the curry goat is good. Nice curry goat. For the curry goat, I'm getting that goat flavor that us in Jamaica like, we call it that rank goat. So I'm definitely getting that, and the curry just complements it very well. Not a spicy one, like some people go very hard on the spice for the goat, but it's good enough. It's definitely good enough, and the gravy is nice,
Just coats over the rice really nicely. I can definitely see why the boys come out here and hang. Like very flavorful food, you know. Dappa just has a really awesome vibe. So yeah, it's a place that you say you come as a customer and you leave as a friend, that type of vibe. So, and then he did mention a couple stuff that I believe, now seeing it for myself, that people do come here and hang out, but primarily it's more of, how can I say, it's people of some level of stature. So it's like grown men who are commissioners or cops or whatever. You can see that on them. I don't know their profession, but when you look at them, you can see people who own trucks, that type of vibe. So yeah, he's right. Alright guys, I'm stuffed. And it's definitely time for me to head out of here. So yeah, overall amazing experience. I got here from about like 9:30 and the time is now, it's 10 minutes to 4. So I was here for roughly 6 hours and over. It is what he said, man. He did mention, you know, the who's would stop by here. Definitely a cool hangout spot. The food was really good. Really enjoyed it. And one more stop that I can have on the list of places whenever I'm traveling to Jamaica, and hopefully you guys can add it to your stop and tell me what you think. Anyway, prayers up for me that I get into Kingston safely, because like I mentioned, the brakes, they need to be changed at the moment. Anyway, remember to see things, love, nature, and adaptation. And I hope you guys are enjoying the series, and always remember to keep the link.
Wait, the video isn't done yet. I got back into Kingston safely, and my van is now fixed, and I took the time to meet up with a few subscribers. And we went to a nice restaurant. I like these types of restaurants too. I just feel you'll get a more authentic Jamaica with street food, and that's why I make videos on them. So we're here with Tara and Alan. Yep. So it's been, you got, how many times you guys been out here? Like 3 times?
3 times.
Three
Yep.
times.
In the past what?
6 weeks, baby. We love Jamaica.
And the last couple times you missed me because I was Portland crawling, but
Yes, you were.
we're in Kingston now. We're gonna have some brunch, I think, or lunch.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
brunch time. About brunch time.
Yes,
huh?
that
Oh
brunch time.
yeah. All right.
And hanging with
we
Soai.
love hanging with Soai.
Bye.
Stuck on the
Love
island.
it. That's right. Stuck on an island with Soai. You know what we really like, when this was years ago, when you went to was it St. Elizabeth and you got the massage
Oh, yeah,
on the
yeah,
rock?
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh man. Do you know how many times we watched that video?
Oh, thanks.
That was good. Do you need this? This is your good. No, Miss Portis.
You good. You taste it, yeah. That's
I
good.
sure did.
I got that on mine.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm greedy.
You are in already. How was the food in Jamaica so far, man?
Delicious.
Nice.
It is very good.
Awesome.
Mouth watering.
And I can't complain. Everything I eat, look, everything I eat is delicious.
All right, so we both got the same thing, salmon, and Alan got a type of herb roasted chicken.
Chicken, yeah.
Awesome.
This is delicious.
Like I said, I hadn't tasted anything I can enjoy.
You tasted everything you had is good, right?
Everything.
Vibes.
Everything I've had.
See, okay, the sauce is perfect.
Oh my god.
Isn't it good?
The salmon is just flaky.
Oh my gosh. The veggies are well seasoned.
Good. Of course, it's a video for me. You know that
yeah.
already. But amazing time spending
Yes.
with these
Absolutely.
amazing people. Great conversation.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Absolutely was.
Can't
We
wait for the
enjoyed
next one.
ourselves.
Facts,
Yeah.
facts, facts.